Welcome to How to AI in 4 Minutes. Today we are creating a YouTube video from just a single prompt. Insane how far we have come. You can now create a YouTube channel without doing the work. Crazy. Let's jump right in. Go to InVideo.io. The link is in the description below. Click on InVideo AI and then try InVideo AI. You'll be redirected to where you'll type in a prompt for the type of YouTube video you want. Literally any type of video, any niche. I'm prompting a YouTube video about 5 of the best places to visit. That is in the travel niche. Then click Generate Video. It would take some seconds to initialize. Then ask you the audience, look and feel, and also the platform. You can leave that as a default if you like. Click Continue. You will be plugged into the queue. Depending on how busy the server is, you could wait seconds or minutes. It would be generating the script, voiceover, background music, and video completely. Once it's done, you get a preview. We'll be watching the video to see if it did a good job.
Travel. It's more than just a change of scenery it's a journey into the unknown, a chance to immerse yourself in diverse cultures, to taste.
Hit export and pick the correct export settings and download the video after the export is complete. Here's a preview of the video. Pretty amazing.
Travel. It's more than just a change of scenery or a break from the daily grind. It's a journey into the unknown. A chance to immerse yourself in diverse cultures, to taste exotic cuisines, to witness natural wonders, and to create memories that last a lifetime. Each new place holds a story waiting to unfold, a secret waiting to be discovered, a beauty waiting to be seen. First on the list is the enchanting city of Kyoto, Japan. This city is a beautiful blend of history and modernity. Known as the City of 10,000 Shrines, Kyoto is a treasure trove of ancient temples, gardens, and palaces. But did you know that every spring and autumn, Kyoto is painted in hues of pink and orange as cherry blossoms and maples trees bloom magnificently? It's a sight that will leave you breathless. Next, we journey to the heart of Europe, to the fairy tale city of Prague, Czech Republic. Prague's Old Town Square is like stepping into a time machine, with its cobblestone streets, Gothic churches, and the astronomical clock, which is the third oldest astronomical clock in the world and the only one still in operation. Our third destination is the vibrant city of Cape Town, South Africa. Nestled between the Atlantic Ocean and Table Mountain, Cape Town is a city of breathtaking contrasts. It's home to stunning beaches, world-class vineyards, and the colorful Bo-Kaap neighborhood, known for its brightly painted houses and spicy Cape Malay cuisine. Next, we travel to the land down under, to the city of Sydney, Australia. Famous for its iconic Opera House and Harbour Bridge, Sydney also boasts some of the world's most stunning beaches. And a little-known fact about Sydney, it has the deepest natural harbor in the world, with an impressive 504,000 megaliters of water volume. Finally, we journey to the magical city of Marrakesh, Morocco. Known as the Red City for its distinctive clay buildings, Marrakesh is a sensory feast. From the bustling souks filled with an array of spices and crafts, to the peaceful Majorelle Garden, Marrakesh promises an unforgettable adventure. Each of these places holds a unique charm and a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered. So the next time you're planning a trip, consider these destinations. And remember, the joy of travel isn't just about ticking off places on a list, it's about the stories you gather and the part of you that stays behind when you leave. If you enjoyed this journey and would like to discover more fascinating places, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Safe travels, and remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only a page.
Remember to like and subscribe so you stay in the loop with the latest in AI and how to make money with AI.